In this video, I'll guide you through how to give remote control in Google Meet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to let someone else take control of your screen in a meeting in a clear and safe way. Let's start with the very first thing you need to do. Begin sharing your screen. In your Google Meet window, look toward the bottom of the screen. You'll see a row of controls, and one of them is for sharing your screen. Before you click anything, it's a good idea to think about what you actually want to show. If you have personal files or notifications that might pop up, you might want to close those first or turn on Do Not Disturb mode to avoid interruptions and keep things private. Once you're ready, click the option labeled Present Now. This is the main control Google Meet uses for screen sharing. When you click it, a small menu will appear, giving you a few choices. Even though it looks simple, what you pick here really matters for how much of your screen the other person can see and eventually control. You'll be asked to select which screen or window you want to share. If you're using more than one monitor, you'll see each screen listed separately, usually with a little preview. Choosing your entire screen means the other person will see everything you see, including any apps you switch to or notifications that appear. This can be helpful if they need to move between multiple programs, but remember that it also shows more of your desktop and any open windows. If you want to be more focused and keep other things hidden, choose a specific window instead. For example, you might pick just your browser window or just a single app that you need help with. This is often the safer and cleaner option, especially if you're working with sensitive information or just want to stay organized. After you select the screen or window, confirm the choice. At this point, you're officially presenting in Google Meet, and everyone in the call can see what you selected. You'll typically see a small banner or highlight indicating that your screen is being shared, so you always know when it's active. Now, for the remote control part, during your presentation, the other person may request control of your screen. When that happens, Google Meet will show you a prompt asking if you want to allow it. This is an important step because it puts you in charge of who can actually control your computer. When you see the control request, read it carefully and make sure you trust the person who's asking. If everything looks good and you're comfortable, click to allow the request. Once you approve it, the other person will be able to move the cursor, click, and interact with whatever you're sharing, just as if they were sitting at your computer. While they have control, you can still watch what they're doing, and you can always stop presenting or end the meeting if you need to regain full control. It's a powerful feature for getting help, giving interactive demos, or collaborating on documents in real time, and that's all there is to it. Start screen sharing, click Present Now, select the screen or window you want, and then allow the control request when it appears.